everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be telling you all about the very first jujube Disney collaboration print, Amour de Fleurs. Now this print is hopefully the very first of many, and this particular print, it just feels extra special to me because my great-great aunt, who I loved so much, worked as an animator for Walt Disney himself. And this whole print just feels very much like something she would have loved. So it takes me back for sure. And the lining on this bag is to die for. I just absolutely love the color. So as you guys can see, I have the Amour de Fleurs Be Zealous here. This bag is one of my top favorite picks for Disney. So if you're going to take the Amour de Fleurs bag to Disney, I think that would be an amazing option. Today I have it packed for me and my son for a trip out for the day. And speaking of him, I had this bag sitting behind my driver's seat while I was driving to school with the kids this morning. And he sits behind me and he noticed all the little Mickey and Minnies here and there on the bag, and I thought that was great. I didn't even say a thing. He found them all by himself. So I just love all that detail, and I'm gonna do a close-up look real quick for you guys so you can see all the great details on this bag. These zipper pulls right here, as you can see, Mickey and Minnie are making a heart with their hands. I love that detail so much. It is just adorable. I also love all the sketch work that they've done on this bag. You have sketched flowers. You also have a hidden Mickey head in this print, and I don't think I can even show it to you guys on my bag because my print placement doesn't allow that. But I'm sure you guys could find some pictures online, and I might be able to show it to you guys on the change pad in a little bit too. But it is just so cute. I love this bag so much. It features gold shiny hardware with a lot of details. So you have the Mickey and Minnie here on the very front. You also have the zipper pulls down here that have the print of the bag etched into it with the black. So it's just a very pretty bag. And I can't wait to see what else they come up with for these collaboration prints. So let's go ahead and get started. Now the Be Zealous is one of Jujube's larger backpacks, which is why I say it's a great bag for Disney because it can hold a lot of stuff, but it also has a ton of organization on the inside as well. You also have these great bottle pockets, one on each side. Over here, you guys can see I have a pretty good size bottle that fits in there. You have a D-ring on each side of the bag, so you can clip this onto your stroller. If you had a messenger strap, you could even wear this crossbody if you wanted to. You have a grab handle up top here. This is a webbed strap like seatbelt material, but it's very durable feeling. On the front here, you have a double zipper opening that goes all the way down the sides of the bag, but you do have gussets on the inside, so your stuff just doesn't fall out, which I love. You also have a good size mommy pocket on the very front here, which is a great size. You could even fit a large set piece in here if you wanted to, and I almost did, but I wanted to show you guys the pockets. And then you have another zipper compartment across the very front here. On the very top, you have a tech pocket across the top here, and this is a good size tech pocket. I've even been able to fit my camera that I am filming with in here, and that's a Sony a6400. So if that gives you an idea for size, you can definitely fit that in here. But I have my phone in there right now. On the very back of the bag, you have these very nice padded straps. Now they have changed these since my last video, and I will link that right here for you guys so you can go check that out to see the differences. But the straps are different this time around. They are very padded. They don't have the seam down the middle. I'd say they feel a lot like the Mini Bee straps, but bigger, if that helps. And then you just have the print on the back. And then you also have very adjustable straps. So if you are a larger person or very tall, you should be able to fit in this no problem. And I have it cinched almost all the way. I'm only 5'2", so if you have a child that's in high school or middle school or even like 5th grade-ish, I think they could get away with wearing this to school, no problem. There's a lot going for it on the inside for that if you wanted to use this bag for school. So let's go ahead. I'm trying to fix these are so cute. Let's go ahead and get started on the packing video. Now on this side, I don't have anything. One thing to keep in mind, if you put things in the side bottle pockets, it does take up room on the inside of your bag. So I only took up the side over here. So there's nothing in this one, but a small set piece or your keys would be a great idea to put in these. On this side here, I have my 20-ounce swell bottle, and I have it in the ruby red color. I thought that color just looked so good with this bag, and I also paired this bag with some Tibetan red jujube as well because I just think the red looks really good with this bag. So that's all I had in the side bottle pocket there. In this very front pocket here, I don't have anything, but it is pretty decent sized, if you guys can see that. It goes all the way down to the bottom of the bag. it's a good sized pocket. So I'm thinking you could put your wallet in there if you really wanted to. Now let's go ahead and go through the mommy pocket. So the mommy pocket has a double zipper opening. Look at that lining, you guys, it's so pretty. I love it. You have all these floral Mickey heads. Can you see that? I love that so much. So, and then you have a lot of pockets too, which is great. And you have your key fob here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the very front here. I have an Amour de Fleurs small set piece here. In here, I just have my face mask and my son's face mask. It's for easy access. On the other side here, I have a Tibetan red small set piece. In here, I have some things for myself. So I have some lip ink, hand lotion, a mirror, chapstick, folding hairbrush, and things like that for myself. That's all that I had down in the very front here. Now onto the pockets. In this pocket here, I have my keys. It just keeps it a little bit more elevated and out of the bottom pocket here if you put it into this pocket. And I have it on the key leash, which I always say that's one of my favorite jujube features is the key leashes. On this side, I have my B-Charge, which is my wallet. And that's all I had in those pockets there. You also have this back zipper pocket here. And I don't have anything in there, but it's a pretty good sized pocket, a good place to put flat things. So now that we are done with the mommy pocket, let's go ahead and move on to the top of the bag here. As I mentioned, this pocket here is a great place to keep your phone. So that's what I have in there. I have an iPhone 11 Max Pro. Fits great in there, no problem. But you could definitely fit more stuff in there besides just your phone. Okay, let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. As I mentioned, this is a double zipper opening. Pull in Mickey that way and Minnie this way. And this bag has so much space. I love it, and lots of organization, lots of pockets and things like that. So what I have on top here is my Be Cool in the Amour de Fleurs. It's really cute, you guys. You have the Mickey and Minnie zipper pulls on this as well, making the heart hand. So cute. Also, if I didn't show you guys real close up, that Disney jujube logo is so pretty. I love that. All right, here we go. So you have a front pocket here. I don't have anything in there right now. In here, I just have snacks and things for my son and one snack for me. I have a water for him. I also have a juice, go-go squeeze, some crackers. He does go through all this while we're out. He loves to eat. This is for me. I also have some yogurt raisins. I try to pick some healthy options for him, and he likes this as well. He loves these. I don't know why so much. I haven't tried those, but he loves them. All right, so that is what I had in my Be Cool. It's always a good idea to keep lots of snacks on hand with toddlers. Now below that, I have my, at the very bottom, I'll show you guys real quick because this bag really does hold a lot. Can you see that at the very bottom? I have a large set piece there with a medium set piece next to it. So let's pull that out. So in here, this is a change of clothes for my son. This is a large set piece in Amour de Fleurs. I just have a pair of socks in there for him, some underwears, never know what can happen, some pants, and then I also have a little Mickey shirt. Isn't that cute? He loves this shirt. He is Mickey obsessed, you guys. I'm gonna let that fall forward for a second so that I can put my things back in because I am going to go out later after I film this, and I'm gonna take my bag out exactly as I have it packed. All right, here we go. So next we are gonna go through, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go through this back pocket here. And I'm gonna flip it so you guys can see a little bit better. Now on this bag, the Be Zealous has these elastic straps, which is very much like what the Be Right Back has. And this is a great place to keep wipes, so you can easily access your wipes like that. You can also put a nursing blanket, nursing cover, regular blanket, and things like that here that you wanna just keep up and out of the way. So I like to have my wipes here because I use them a lot when we are out and about. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out because that's making this lean forward a little bit. All right, so that was what I had up there. Now in the very, very back pocket here, this is why I said this bag is great for school because you could easily put a laptop in this back pocket back here. But they have the light change pad that comes with this bag. Let that lean forward again. So this is the print all laid out. It's really pretty. There is the lining, super gorgeous. I just love that aqua color. So yeah, this bag comes with a light change pad, which you can easily fold and put somewhere else, like into a Be Quick if you guys are using diapers. This is great to go inside of there. Then you could use that back pocket for something else if you didn't want to keep the change pad in there. So that is what we've got going on so far. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this. This bag does not want to stand up once it gets empty. But it does great when you have stuff in it. In this medium set piece, I just have a few toys for my son. He's very into Super Wings, so I have a few of these guys, and then I also have a couple of the Roadster Racer toys, because he loves Disney Mickey Mouse Roadster Racers. So I got a Mickey too. I had a Goofy, I'm not sure where he went. Tried to hunt it down, but I have no idea. Next, let's go through these two front pockets here. See if I can flip it around so you guys can see even better. So there are two mesh pockets right here that are just great for holding medium set pieces and all kinds of things. They are mesh elastic pockets and they match the color of the aqua. It's really pretty. So in here I have a Mickey. My son, like I said, he loves Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, so we've got quite a few of these guys around. And then on this side I have a wet bag. This is made by Baby LA. This is great if there's a wet mess that I wasn't expecting or something like that, you never know. Now let's move back to here. This is what the back of the bag looks like now. You have two mesh pockets back here, and then you have that slip pocket where the change pad was, and then you have this. So that is the Amour de Fleurs, Be Zealous, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. And I'd love to hear in the comments below, what did you guys score from this release? And I'd love to know what you think the next Disney collaboration print is gonna be. Thanks for watching.